Hey guys, this is Nikki, and today we are making bath bombs. We are making my cosmic bath bomb. This consists of blue, purple, and black bath bomb mix. I don't add all of the colors in at the same time because I like to keep some on reserve, because after you do quite a few, the color is going to turn into one color. So I like to keep the colors vibrant. And so whenever I see that the colors start becoming one color, I start adding the different colors back into it, because you want all of the bath bombs to look the same. You don't want some to be like blah, you know what I mean? So that is what I'm doing. So when I'm packing my bath bombs, I like to gently pack on both sides and overfill the spear just a little and pack it together. This helps keep both halves together. If you firmly pack both sides without adding a little extra bath bomb mixture to overflow over the spear, they will not stick together. So you want to make sure that you pack it down gently and then add some bath bomb powder on the top, so that when you are mixing it together or pressing it together, that they stick together. And on the sides of the bath bomb, I just gently squeeze to release. I don't really bang the tops of the spears, because when you bang them, it leaves marks on it. It dings it. And so I just gently press on both sides. I will provide the recipe to this bath bomb mix down below. I got it from, I forgot the name of this company or this page on YouTube. I think it was Bath Bomb Explosion or something like that. But yes, I will definitely share the recipe to this bath bomb below. And I hope that you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications bell to be notified when we are going live. I go live Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for Coffee with Nikki, a daily cup of information and inspiration. And this is my favorite part. Enjoy!